Mahabodhe stire, Kanaka ruchire, Nilasakare, Vasana prasadanta, Sahaja balabhadrena balina, Subhadra madhyastha, Sakala sura seva vasarado, Jagannatha Swami Nayana Pathagami, Bhavatume. This is a verse from Gita Govindam, which roughly translates to residing on the shore of the great ocean, within a large palace situated upon the crest of the brilliant golden Nilachala hill, along with his powerful brother Balabhadra and his sister Subhadra. Lord Jagannatha bestows the opportunity for devotional service upon all godly souls. May that Jagannatha Swami be the object of my vision. Namaskar, Pranam, and hello. We welcome you to the 8th episode of Oh Odissi One World. This platform, Oh Odissi One World, brings together Odissi gurus and dancers from all across the globe on one single stage to not only showcase their immense talent, but also to build a bigger and better community that would help them in their own growth as an artist and also create awareness and popularize Odissi dance and music. Today, we bring to you two amazing dancers from two distant lands, Moscow, Russia, and all the way from Kyoto, Japan. Since this is our 8th episode, many of you are quite familiar with our panel of gurus, each one a doyen in the field of Odissi. They hardly need any introduction. But for those who have joined in late, here's just a few lines about them. I'll start with Guru Padma Shri Datuk Ramli Ibrahim from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Trained as an engineer, but he has been building his career in the arts for over 40 years. He is a man who wears many hats: dancer, teacher, choreographer, music composer, painter, theatre director, as well as an ambassador of culture. The Indian government has honored him with Sangeet Natak Academy Award and the Padma Shri for his contributions to Odissi classical dance. The Malaysian government has also honored him with Datuk. Currently, he is the artistic director of Sutra Dance Theatre and the chairman of the Sutra Foundation in Kuala Lumpur. He travels the world with his entourage, performing in many major cities of different countries. A very, very warm welcome to you, Guruji. Guruji, I'll start with you. How have you been?
Good, thank you, in spite of the pandemic, because we too in Malaysia are having a rise of COVID numbers. So we are very wary of our situation at the moment in Malaysia.
Okay. I think the entire world is now dealing with this.
Yes.
So Guruji, that's what, just take it from here, Guruji, as the world that we see today, so fragmented and so full of misery, what role can dance, especially Odissi, play in making a positive impact on the emotional health of the society?
Well, I think I go back again to the raison d'être of classical dance, which is to lift our spirit to a heightened state, so that we are connected to the divine. The fact that dance, especially the classical form, is divine. And then we sometimes need to forget about the mundanity of our lives and connect with something that is totally very beautiful and that can lift our spirit to a heightened state. So I think, especially in these difficult times, fortunately, we are able still to connect online, that we are able to connect through beauty, and especially with something like Odissi that has at the moment able to transcend national barriers and connect people of all many races. So I think one of the major raison d'etre of dance is to do exactly that, to connect us with the divine. and lift our spirit to a heightened state.
Thank you so much, Guruji. Today, we are fortunate to have with us a very well-known proponent of Odissi, Guru Sharan Logan. Guru Sharan received her training in Odissi since 1975 from Padma Bhushan Kelucharan Mahapatra, the undisputed master and architect of the contemporary Odissi repertoire. She carries the Odissi tradition forward with close to 50 choreographies and also contributes to improving the appreciation and understanding of Indian dance traditions, both in India and abroad, as a visiting professor, scholar, and presenter of seminars, festivals, and exhibitions. She has bridged cultures, performing extensively throughout India and the US, as well as Canada, Mexico, England, Brazil, you name it, she's gone everywhere. Guru Sharan has featured as herself in the award-winning Telugu film Swarna Kamalam, known as the Golden Lotus, directed by K. Vishwanath, to inspire the heroine to value her own Indian dance heritage. A Fulbright and AIIS Smithsonian scholar, she holds an honors degree in humanities, fine arts, and Asian studies, and as well as an MA in dance from the University of Michigan. Her books include Odissi Dance, The Dancing Phenomenon Kelucharan Mahapatra, The Performing Arts of India, Development and Spread Across the Globe, Art Without Frontiers, Classical Dance and Music of India. In addition to Odissi, Guru Sharan is trained in Manipuri dance, Mayurbhanj and Saraikala Chhau, and is also the founder of Manasa, Art Without Frontiers. She has been showered with many accolades and honors, which includes the Government of India's 1991 Acharya Narendra Dev Sarokar Samajik Samman, presented by the Prime Minister, and the Delhi Government Sahitya Kala Parishad's Parishad Samman 1992 for outstanding individual contribution to Indian arts, Prabasi Oriya Samman 2018, Prabasi Bhasha Samman 2019. Guruji, a very warm welcome to you.
Thank you so much. Namaskar.
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 It's an honor
to have you with us.
Thank you so much
Thank you so much for being part of our show.
Well,
So
it's
if I
a
could
pleasure.
ask you, how do you see dance, especially Odisha, as a medium to have a positive impact on the collective mental health of our society?
Well, I think Ramli summed it up very well. As he was speaking, I was remembering that during the Vietnam War, the Viet Cong soldiers, artists would carry easels on their back so when they had a respite, they could paint. Because you cannot wait for some future. We have today. And even though we all know intellectually that our time on this planet is temporary, this pandemic has given us the opportunity, whether we wished it or not, to introspect, to think, to know what is important. And without any doubt, the arts are something that is incredibly important because they are transformational and transcendental. They take us out of our mundane concerns, which are forgotten in a moment, and they take us actually to a shared place. So here we are right now together as a community, and there's a sense of warmth, connection, reality, and we're sharing it through our arts and through what we know it has meant for us and what we have spent our lives wanting to share and create and facilitate for others. And so I don't think that there's anything we could be doing now besides being medical facilitators and feeding people, but we are feeding with our arts, and we're doing what we can.
That's so
That's so
beautifully
beautifully
said.
said.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much, Guruji.
Welcome.
Nritya Acharya Pandit Guru Rabindra Atibuddhi from Mumbai, India. A devoted guru, brilliant choreographer, and an excellent Madala artist of great eminence. Guru Atibuddhi was one of the pioneer gurus who took Odissi outside of Orissa all the way back in 1968. After spending a couple of years in New Delhi, he moved to Bombay, now Mumbai, to teach Odissi. In 1972, he founded Odissi Kalakshetra to promote Odissi performing arts. He is a disciple of Guru Pankaj Charan Das, Kelucharan Mahapatra, Devaprasad Das, and Mayadhar Raut. Acharya Atibuddhi has received several prestigious awards at the state and national level, including the Odisha Sangeet Natak Academy Award, the Senior Dance Fellowship Award from the Central Government of India, the Shringar Mani Award, the National Award, and the World Friendship Award in the US. Guruji has also trained several renowned Odissi dancers, some of whom are also in Bollywood, that is the Indian film industry. Guruji, a very, very warm welcome to you. How are you doing there in Bombay? Hope everything's fine.
बम्बे बम्बे आना हुआ ये जगन्नाथ जी का इच्छा था, क्योंकि उस समय महाराष्ट्र में कोई नहीं थे, हमारे उड़ीसी नृत्य के कोई भी नहीं थे, और बहुत तकलीफ से मैं दिल्ली होकर बम्बे में पहुंचा। और उस समय मतलब हमें भी कोई पहचानता नहीं था। उड़ीसी करके बोलेंगे तो उड़पी करके बोलते थे, क्योंकि उड़पी का बहुत सारे यहाँ पे होटल थे, तो उड़ीसी बोलेंगे तो उड़पी बोलते थे, उड़ीसा करके नाम भी नहीं जानते थे। हमारे स्टेट का इतना बड़ा स्टेट है, इतनी कला कल्चर, हमारे उड़ीसी का जो कल्चर, चित्रकला, मूर्तिकला कितना सुंदर है, फिर भी कोई नहीं जानता था। सिर्फ 3500 लोग यहाँ थे, और उसमें से मैं एक हूँ। कभी किसको बुखार हो जाए ऐसा लगता था कि हाँ वो आदमी को बुखार हो गया। आज तो लाखों लाखों हैं। और फुटपाथ से लेकर जब अकेला आया था तो घर नहीं था, कुछ भी नहीं था, तो सिर्फ मैं अपने जगन्नाथ, उड़ीसी, उड़ीसा, ये तीनों के नाम कैसे आगे बढ़े, कैसे सारा दुनिया में प्रचार हो, इसलिए मैं तकलीफ सहकर, मतलब जैसे कहते हैं कि अकेला अगर है, कोई भी नहीं है इतना बड़ा शहर में, तो क्या क्या झेला होगा सिर्फ कला के लिए। ये गुरु लोग का आशीर्वाद है। मेरे बड़े से बड़े गुरु जो पद्म विभूषण गुरु केलुचरण महापात्र और पंकज चरण दास, आदि गुरु पंकज चरण दास और देव प्रसाद दास जी और माधर राउत, क्योंकि दिल्ली में जब था तो उनसे मेरा संपर्क हुआ। और वहाँ पे मंदिर है हाउस खास में, जगन्नाथ मंदिर, वहाँ मैं क्लास भी करता था और उनका भी क्लास रहता था, तो मुझे थोड़ा सा उनसे भी ज्ञान प्राप्त हुआ है। तो ऐसे आगे आगे धीरे धीरे बढ़कर आज बॉम्बे में इस तरह का कला, बहुत मतलब बॉम्बे से बहुत प्रचार हुआ है। उस समय मेरे स्टूडेंट लोग थे, एक तो जयाधीर, प्रतिमा बेदी और रेखा शाह, ऐसा सब थे जो कि पंडित जसराज जी ने, उनके जो मिसेस है मेरे भाभी है, और मैं माँ समान उनको मानता था। और उन्होंने मुझे पहला मेरा नृत्य देखा सिर सिंगर में, तो वो नृत्य देखकर उन्होंने सोचा कि इतना सुंदर नृत्य किसका है, कहाँ का है, और मैंने बताया था कि हाँ ये उड़ीसा का है। तो उन्होंने मुझे लेकर चले गए थे राजकमल स्टूडियो। उनके पिताजी भी शांतनम से मिलाए और उन्होंने मुझे मेरा नृत्य देखा। संध्या जी ने भी मेरे से नृत्य सीखा थोड़ा सा। फिर उन्होंने एक कहे कि एक बैले बनाओ जो कि उसको हम फिल्म बनाएंगे। तो मैं सोचा कि हमारा सबसे बड़ा बैले होता है, बैले मतलब स्टोरी होता है सिर्फ गीत गोविंद, और ये गीत गोविंद को उन्होंने बोले कि इसको बनाओ, ये बनाओ। तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं तो छोटा था, 22 साल का उम्र था, मेरे गुरुजी आएंगे, मेरे पद्म विभूषण गुरु जो केलुचरण महापात्र, जिनको मैं पिताजी भी मानता हूँ, मुझे पुत्र मानते थे, वो तो सारे दुनिया का पिताजी है, फिर भी एक अलग संबंध था हम लोग का, आत्मा का हिसाब का। तो उनको बुलाए, तो उनको बुलाया गया और सब मिलकर एक बहुत बड़ा गीत गोविंद बना। जो गीत गोविंद यहाँ उन्होंने फिल्म बनाने वाले थे भीष्मतरम जी, वो उड़ीसा में लेकर गुरुजी ने वहाँ बना दिया, जिसमें कि मैं कृष्णा का रोल किया था, हीरो का रोल किया था। और 9 प्रकार का उसमें रोल के वजह से मुझे नेशनल अवार्ड मिला था।
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस और बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका। Guru Sangeeta Das from Puducherry, the erstwhile Pondicherry, India. She has been a prominent Odissi dancer for the past 4 decades and was the most sought after Odissi artist in the 1980s. She has trained under the guidance of famous Odissi gurus Devi Prasad Das and Durga Charan Ranbir. She has also acted in several Odia movies. In 2013, Guru Sangeeta received the National Sangeet Natak Academy Award for her contribution to Odissi dance. A very warm welcome to you, Guruji. Guruji, I would also ask you the same question. How would you in these times think that dance, or especially Odissi dance, helps in the mental health of the entire society? How does it contribute?
A nice question. When this lockdown, shutdown thing started again, somehow I felt that I have to dance more, because you cannot do anything else. You cannot go out, and you not be like you have somehow if you don't have other work, so you can concentrate on this down. And you know what, I have from yesterday I have started one project. I thought everybody is at home, and I found my friend in my friend circle, in my families, and like people who are around me, all are little down. So I thought every Saturday I will make a small program, online program, and I will explain the items and what is the how I do, and with the spiritual connection. So I am explaining it and I'm doing it. And now the people, they're very happy, and for next year I'm going to do it for my friends. So dance, music, these are the God gift. Everything is created by the God, of course, but these are the things always I feel it's a direct thing where you can really unite it with it's a very easiest path where you can be united with the divine. And so now it is our duty, for artist duty, like all the dancers, musicians, they should now think that how this happiness, what we are getting from the art, without being disturbed by this atmosphere, without being disturbed by this pandemic, we should really concentrate on our work. We should love our work, and we should not fear, because anyway, what will happen finally? What will happen? We will die. We will suffer. So anyway, that is there in the life. So if you dance, you will distract your mind from that side, like you will not think about it. Nothing will happen. So I'm trying to create a very positive energy. I don't know what will happen to me, but I'm telling you, I'm very, very positive, and I'm very happy with my project. And every Saturday I have decided I will do once for my friend circle, once for my family, once for my students. Like that, I have decided I will do the items, and I'm happy and they're happy. I don't know what.
Please do share it with us too. We would love to see it.
Thank you. Sure.
Very well put. Thank you so much, Guruji. Guru Mandira Balkaran Singh from Port of Spain, Trinidad and Tobago. She is a professional dancer, teacher, choreographer, actress, and arts administrator with extensive experience in teaching and performing at the international level. She held academic positions at the University of Trinidad and Tobago to teach dance and theatre. She learned Odissi from Padma Shri Guru Mayadhar Raut at the Bharatiya Kala Kendra, New Delhi, and was the most prominent and charismatic Odissi dancer in New Delhi in the 1970s before emigrating to the West Indies. A very, very warm welcome to you, Guruji.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Guruji, the same questions I would like to put to you. How do you think dance, especially Odissi dance, can be used to uplift the mental health of an entire society?
I think all the classical arts have that special something in them that can lift every person, whether it's music, dance, drama, to a very high level. And Odissi is, of course, because I am so involved in it, it has helped me personally, being so far away, to develop my own self with the dance form. Now, how it helps, as the other previous gurus said, is that it lifts you up, and for a moment you forget the problems around you, and you delve into the magic, especially when you hear the music. Now, what I do, in this pandemic, besides of course teaching the technique and everything, I have increased a lot of breathing exercises, which are obviously understood, and it is part of performing, but especially, and to do it at home and to teach the students, and just feel better about it. And I as I think what happens basically is that you are into a different world altogether when you are not only performing, but when you're actually practicing. And the more you delve into yourself, because we do have the time now, the better and better the quality of your performance and your relationship improves. So that is what my take is during these very bad times, that to continue dancing, to continue performing, and as I always tell my students, that it is the law of causation, cause and effect. The more you work, the more you will get in return. Not that we're expecting, but that is how the universe works.
Thank you so much. So beautifully put.
Not-
Thank you. Guru Jayashree Mahapatra from USA. She learned Odissi in the 1970s from the legendary Guru Kelucharan Mahapatra and Guru Raghunath Datta at the Kalavikas Kendra in Cuttack, Odisha. Guru Jayashree has been very dedicated to the cause of spreading Odissi in Montreal, Canada and Boston, USA for the past 3 decades as a teacher and choreographer. Some of her students have also become professional Odissi dancers in the US circuit. Welcome to the show, Guruji. Guruji, the same question I would like to put to you. How would you see dance, especially Odissi dance, as a medium to enhance the emotional health of the world?
See, when I moved here, I'm very emotional person. I am. So dance is the only thing which helped me to be happy and be connected. Okay. So I believe that if I'm happy, first of all, I must say, Odissi music is beautiful, very melodious. People even from other dance form, they tell me how melodious is the Odissi music. When the Odissi music plays, they all get lost. Like they get involved in the dance or connection. They get connected to supreme power. So, and Odissi, that means Odissi will definitely must be helping people to be happy, right? To be happy, main reason that. And if you are happy, then you spread happiness to all over the world, around you, not all over the world, okay, around your territory. And then the happiness goes further and further and further. So I believe Odissi definitely, look at this, such a beautiful, like with this IT systems, we are connected from different part of the world. Now everybody can watch everyone. I saw Ramli Bhai's program. We see all the people dancing from somewhere in other part of the world where before we never used to see, has a like chance to watch it. So with this form, this technology, and with the spread, like Sangeeta said, Guru Sangeeta said that, like do a project, which is a very good idea, brilliant idea, and try to spread happiness around your family. So definitely any art form helps to be happy, and Odissi because of its melodious music and beautiful dance form, definitely it will help, and it is helping people to uplift their spirits.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Now we come to the most awaited part, the dance and the performances. Performing for us first is Anastasia Evstignieva from Moscow, Russia. Anastasia is a soloist and a member of Guru Vitalina Lobak organized dance group Odissi Jivan Nritya in Moscow, Russia. A Bachelor of Psychology from University of Moscow, she has been learning and performing Odissi dance over the past 12 years. In addition to teaching basics of Odissi dance from her guru, Vitalina Lobak, Anastasia learned lessons from famous Odissi gurus in Moscow, including Guru Sujata Mahapatra, Guru Kavita Dwivedi, Guru Monica Singh Sangwan, Guru Saroj Kumar Dehuri. She also joined Gandharva Mahavidyalaya in New Delhi, where she took lessons from Guru Madhavi Mudgal. She also learned from Guru Sujata Mahapatra in Sarjan in Bhubaneswar. She has also traveled and performed with the troupe at many well-known festivals, including Mukteshwar Dance Festival and the Odissi International Festivals. She currently is teaching Odissi at the Yoga Center Golden Lotus since 2016. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you Anastasia Evstignieva from Moscow, Russia.
Thank you. gama gama gare sa, gama pa ma pa, gama pa ni sa ni sa, gama gama gare sa, gama pa ma pa, gama pa ni sa, gani sa ni sa, gama gama gare sa, gama pa ma pa, gama pa ni sa, gani sa ni sa, gama gama gare sa, gama pa ma pa, gama pa ni sa, gani sa ni sa, gama pa pa ni sa, gani sa ni sa, gama pa pa ni sa, gani sa ni sa, gama 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 ni ni pa ni pa sa sa gani sa ni ni sa, gama 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 ni ni pa ni pa sa sa gani sa ni ni sa, gani sa ni sa ni pa ni ga pa ma ga pa ma gama pa ma gama gani sa ni sa, gama pa pa ni pa ni sa ni sa ni sa, gani sa ni sa ni pa ni ga pa ma ga pa ma gama pa ma gama gani sa ni sa, gama pa pa ni pa ni sa ni sa ni sa, gani sa ni sa ni pa ni ga pa ma ga pa ma gama pa ma gama gani sa ni sa, gama pa pa ni pa ni sa ni sa ni sa, gama pa pa ni pa ni sa ni sa ni sa, gama pa pa ni pa ni sa ni sa ni sa, tari ta chhira ta tari hum tari ta tari ta chhira ta tari hum tari ta tari ta
That was truly a wonderful performance, Anastasia. Thank you so much for performing for us. Let me introduce to you her guru, Guru Vitalina Lobak, who is here with us along with Anastasia. And she will act as an interpreter. And also, Guru, I would like to ask you, how is it in Moscow right now? What is the situation like there?
Namaste. Namaskar, everybody.
Namaste.
I'm very happy to see all of you. It is really very pleasant. Thank you to Odyssey Academy to organize all this meeting. Because I put all my life for Odyssey, of course, I'm very happy to see that also people who loves and who is in the same field. That Anastasia is learning dance from me since 2009, and grown up in dance atmosphere and very talented. What I feel, she's very talented. And what is about situation here? We are more lucky. We did not stop dancing. I am teaching in 2 schools, and the schools was not closed at all. Yes, we have holidays, and holidays become little bigger, but still classes are continuously going. But not so many students like before, because parents are afraid, and they are not giving children to the classes, like they are going only to necessary classes, like dance. It is not for everybody, and I'm inviting, but still it is problem this last year. And what I want to say, I saw the news in our television, and I'm very sad about my Indian friends and about my Indian brothers and sisters, and I want to get them soon well, and the situation should be good. I am feeling very much pain inside. I hope
I know.
I will stop soon.
Thank
And
you
I
so
hope-
much.
I hope you like performance, Anastasia, and I hope to see you in future in life, not not only.
Yes, we are all waiting for that time. We are all waiting for that.
That's
We love the performance, but we would like to ask opinions of our gurus. So I would start with Guru Ramli Ibrahim. So Ramli Bhai, please, what do you have to say about Anastasia's performance? You are muted, Ramli Bhai.
Yes, I enjoy the two works. I happen to also do the Vajakanti Pallavi. And it's really a privilege to see the composition of Guru Mayada Raut on this, and wonderfully executed by Anastasia under the direction of her guru Vitalina. I thought her all her stamping, all her bhangi, and her angasudhas are very, very perfect. And you know, I mean, I actually saw it a number of times, and I really love it. And it's not often that we see works by in a way, the fourth pillar of Odissi, Guru Mayada Raut. So we're very, very pleased to have seen that you have in your repertoire a lovely Pallavi from Mayadarji. And also, I was very happy also to see the Kali Durga work by Guru Saroj Kumar Dahuri. And I thought it was handled very aptly, strongly by Anastasia. And I want to congratulate her and her guru for keeping the standard of Odissi so high and strong. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Guru Sharon Loven, you would like to come in, and what do you have to say about Vitalina's performance? Sorry, Anastasia performance.
Well, her personal style has a very lyrical sweetness, and her technique was very solid, and there was clarity in her bhav. And the Pallavi, the Bhadrakanti, I thought it was a composition of Hari Krishna Bhera, but I think I had misread that somewhere. But in any case, it is, as Ramli said, it's wonderful.
Yes, it is Hari Krishna Bhera.
Yes. So it's but in the same way, it's a choreography from an earlier time, and it has been maintained and presented beautifully, and that's very important. I think that that one thing that I would suggest is that, you know, you are such a good dancer, and it takes years to achieve this level. And the difference between good and excellent is very small, and you are evolving there. What I would suggest to help you just take it a little notch higher is that as you are dancing, each movement, if you think about what it is that you want to communicate. So, for instance, even in a Pallavi, we have a basic bhav, which is a very pleasant expression. And yet I find that if I think, because the audience can read your mind through your eyes, and it affects the dynamics. If you think like, now I'm doing something slow, but don't worry, it's going to pick up, or how do you like this little variation? Did you expect that? And I quite love this movement. It's one of my favorites. And if you think these things, it will be changing a more microsecond nuanced change in your expression, which will add, because the dancing is already absolutely lovely. And and then when you come to the bhav, there was clarity in your bhav. And when you become Devi, allow yourself to feel that you are becoming Devi and you are offering darshan to the audience. So take it more fully. You know, I say to my students sometimes, like 150% photocopy rather than 100%. Allow it to be even more so that you're able to give that. And you're really bringing a very good energy to that. And now a little more of that nuance and maintaining it consistently throughout. And so that you're really focusing on what you're communicating. And I just think it was an excellent performance. And I'm really looking forward to you evolving even further. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so much, Guruji.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next
We go to Guru Rabindra Tibuddhi. आप क्या बोलेंगे अनस्तेसिया के परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में?
आज हमारे जो नृत्य है और जो शास्त्र है वो सब संस्कृत में लिखा है, देवनागरी भाषा। तो मैंने दो चार शब्द ये जो
Sharon ji, could you please mute it?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, thank you.
अनेस्थेसिया उन्होंने जो नृत्य किया उनके लिए मैंने 4 शब्द ऐसा संस्कृत में लिखा है। आज थोड़ा सा संस्कृत में 2-4 शब्द मैंने सुनाऊंगा। नृत्य चंचला पल्लवी तबाणी। नृत्य चंचला, वो बहुत चंचल में नृत्य किए हैं, बहुत अच्छे भंगिमा देकर और भंगिमा के साथ छंद, नृत्य का जो छंद है वो छंद और सब चीज रखकर, जैसे भंगिमा है, चौक है, त्रिभंगी रखकर उन्होंने नृत्य किया। इसलिए नृत्य चंचला पल्लवित वाणी तारिता झेणा झेणुता नाद किंकिणी। उनकी जो घुंघरू की नाद, वो नाद किंकिणी के साथ साथ वो नृत्य हो रही थी। नाना भंगी नृत्य छंदे अंग प्रत्यंग उपांगिनी कली काली दुर्गा सरस्वती महिषासुरमर्दिनी। उन्होंने पल्लवी भी किया और काली दुर्गा सरस्वती का जो भाव है महिषासुरमर्दनी करने का, वो सब ढंग दिखाई थी और उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा नृत्य किया। बस
थैंक यू, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका। थैंक यू। Guru Sangeeta, what would you say about Anastasia's performance?
Hi, Anastasia. And for the first time I saw your dance. First of all, I will, I was appreciating your figure, your costume, your sense of dressing, and you're looking fabulous. And you had a clarity in your dance. And I agree with Saranjit that what I felt, everything was good. You need a little bit of involvement. And in Abhinay aspect, maybe you can improve more. And you have a fantastic guru. And this journey of perfection never ends. So I'm sure you will grow more, and whatever you are now also, you're fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you. Guru Mandira, please come in and say a few words about her performance.
Anastasia's performance was beautiful, just like her name. I love that name. And Vajrakanti Pallavi is very close to my heart. Is one of the first Pallavis I had learned. And I enjoyed it. Her bhangis were good and she looked beautiful. And the most important thing is her involvement with, especially with the Pallavi. It has a lot of intricate movements and she executed it well. And I also liked the piece of the Devi. There were different aspects of the Devi, and she did try her level best. As all the gurus said, that it comes with more practice and more involvement into the text and the nature of what the poet is trying to say of the Devis. It's an energetic dance and she performed very well. I enjoyed it. Continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Guruji. Guru Jayashree Mahapatra, what would you like to say about her performance?
Hi, Anastasia. How are you doing? Good? Did you love your own dance? Do you like learning Odissi? I hope you do. Congratulations to your teachers. Really beautiful piece. Everybody said everything, so nothing much to add. Only one thing I would say, like when you were doing Abhinaya, I wish the camera could have little bit closer, right? Little closer. So see your facial expression a little better. If that is a technology, not wrong with your dance. Whatever everybody said is perfectly fine. But I personally, I thought like when you were talking, if the camera is little close, then you can see the expression more accurate or more beautifully. So try to do that. Keep up the good work. Beautiful dancing, and that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Guruji. Our next performer is Kamala Klebanova from Hamburg, Germany. Though she is from Germany, she has made Kyoto, Japan her home for the last 3 years. In 2005, Kamala started to learn Odissi in the lineage of Guru Devaprasad Das from Guru Gudrun Martins in Hamburg, Germany. And since 2007, also from Guru Srimati Sangeeta Das in Pondicherry, India. Kamala holds the basic certificate as a dance teacher from the German Institutes of Dance Education. Since 2017, she lives in Japan and performs at several events and festivals in Germany, India, and Japan. Presently, she's teaching Odissi to school students and adults along with a young daughter in Kyoto. Beside dance, Kamala holds a high school teacher's degree and is a member of the research group of introvision and mental self-regulation at the University of Hamburg. In her PhD project, she investigates the interplay of emotions, cognitions, and physical events. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you Kamala Klebanova.
सकल कार्येषु माधवः। झिल्ली झर्झरिका मृदङ्गपटः भैरीश्च शङ्खध्वनि वीणा डम्बरो मृदङ्गमुहुरे घण्टारवो घर्घरे तम्बूराकृतकरताळि काहाळि ताळध्वज एते वाद्येषु घोषसहितं कुर्वन्तु ते मङ्गलम्।
धिनी गिद्धा त्रगड़धीना धिनी गिद्धा त्रगड़धीना धिनी गिद्धा त्रगड़धीना 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 धिनी गिद्धा त्रगड़धीना धिनी गिद्धा त्रगड़धीना धिनी गिद्धा त्रगड़धीना 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 धिनी गिद्धा त्रगड़धीना धिनी गिद्धा त्रगड़धीना धिनी गिद्धा त्रगड़धीना 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 किटी तक गदी की निधा किटी तक गदी की निधा किटी तक गदी की निधा।
दो दो शंख कपाल भूषित करो मुक्तास्थि माला धरो देव द्वारवते श्मशान निलयो नागरी गोवाहनो द्विद्राक्षावली दक्ष यज्ञमथानो श्री शैलजा वल्लभो पापं मे हरता विभो हरे हर श्रीवत्स गंगाधर श्रीवत्स गंगाधर श्रीवत्स
थे थे पुंडरीक्ष धे धे विरूपाक्ष था ग्रीम कीट तक धलांग दिगुटक कंस निशोधन दक्ष विनाशन काली यमर्दन अनंग दहन थो झेणा कीट तक झेणु झेणा कीट तक डम 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 नाद तांडव नर्तन कृता झे आनंद नटन नाग अरिवाहन नटन प्रभंजन काळी कलुषहारी आहे त्रिपुरारी त्राहिम हरि त्राहिमा हर थो झेणा कीट तक झेणा झेणु कीट तक धलंग 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 कीट तक ददिगिर थे थे ताधी कीट तक थे 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 ताधी कीट तक थे धे थे ताधी कीट तक धे थे 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 ताधी कीट तक धे थे 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 ताधी कीट तक धे थे 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 ताधी कीट तक धे थे ताधी कीट तक ताधी कीट तक ताधी कीट तक धे थे ताधी कीट तक ताधी कीट तक ताधी कीट तक धे दिगिन थे थे ता ता धीना ता हा ता धीना थे ता दिगिना धीना ता हा ता धीना थे ता दिगिना धीना ता हा ता धीना थे ता दिगिना धीना ता हा ता धीनी थे ता जम ता दिगिन थे थे ता जम ता की ता दिगिन थे थे ता की तो की थे ता की थे तो की थे तो हरंग थे ता की थे तो की थे ता की थे तो की थे तो हरंग थे ता धे ता धे रे थे ता धे ता धे रे थे ता धे ता धे रे थे जे जे किटे छेना ताक ताजो ता छेना ताक धीरे धीरे किटे छेना ताक ताजो ता छेना ताक ता धे धाग दिगिन थे ता धे धाग दिगिन थे ता धे धाग दिगिन थे किटक गदिगिन 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 थे गदे गदे दे किटक गदिगिन थे
झम तरे तरे झम तरे तरे झम तरे तरे झम तरे त झम झेणु तरे तझणम तझणम तक झेणु त झम तरे तरे झम
digin the tagde 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 da 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 tagda digin da 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 tagda digin tingin tingin me tingin the
That was such an amazing performance, Kamala. Thank you so much. Hope you're doing well there in Kyoto.
Hi,
Would you like to come in?
Yeah, hi everyone. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to be part of this event and community. Yeah, thank you so much.
So how was it performing for Odissi One World?
Actually, it was a very new experience for me to have an recording to put it online on purpose. Before I recorded my performances just for my own review, for my own backup, and to have my own external perspective after the performance, just to see how it was and how I can evolve and discuss with my teachers. But this time I recorded just for presenting online and presenting through this video. So I had to think differently how I could set up the filming. And I tried my best and gathered a lot of big experience, I guess. Also through the other episodes, recently you discussed about the possibilities of recording to put the performance online and what it makes maybe more accessible for the audience to catch the energy a little bit more than or a little bit of what is possible if you see the performance live, right? So there's truly a big difference. So
yes, it is.
Yeah. So I tried.
Thank you so much. Thank you. No, we really enjoyed the performance we did. So now let's go on to the gurus. So Guru Atibuddhi, please tell us कि आपको कैसा लगा Kamala's performance?
कमला जी के डांस जो है उसमें जो उनके जो ठहराव है और उनके जो मंगलाचरण हरि नारायण और हर शिव, वो जो कॉम्बिनेशन है गुरु जी का, जो कोरियोग्राफ, इतना सुंदर कोरियोग्राफ को उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा निभाया। और उन्होंने जिस जगह में किया था और जिस तरह किया था उसको भी मैंने थोड़ा सा 4 शब्द में लिखा है संस्कृत का। चौकंग भंगी युक्त, बहुत सुंदर वो चौक में भंगी का लेकर चलती थी। चौकांग भंगी युक्त, आड़भंग त्रिभंगी का। आड़भंग मतलब हमारे उड़ीसा में चौक, आड़ और त्रिभंगी, ये सब भंगिमा की प्रयोग होता है। तो आड़भंग त्रिभंगी का भू आकाश मंडिनी, मतलब जमीन से लेकर आकाश तक सब कुछ दिख रहा था। वो जो नजारा है उस जगह में उन्होंने नृत्य किया था। नृत्य भाव मुद्रिका, नृत्य और भाव लेकर उन्होंने मुद्रा के साथ उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन किया, बहुत सुंदर किया।
Thank you so much, Guruji. Guru Sharon Lowen, would you like to come in and say something about her performance?
I think that the setting that you chose was the best setting that I have seen for an online performance. The depth that we had with the hills in the back, far away, the perspective and the clouds, and yet a very beautiful stage. So we had the close-ups of you, we had the sense of stage, and surprisingly, the people going on their bicycles were no distraction. They added, it was almost like flowers blooming. And it was so aesthetic. It was a wonderful setting. And then as you entered the stage, we all know how important it is that the moment you're visible, you are performing, which occasionally dancers forget. And so every moment was so finely crafted that it was really very aesthetic. Basically, it was absolutely beautiful. Your opening, the way you choreograph stepping onto the stage, and when you do something that is slow, it is even more challenging. And as you did it, you had a sense of involvement and a shared connection with the audience, which was a tribute both to your performance and to the wonderful tech and the way the cameras were able to capture it. Because as Jayashree said, we wanted to see beautiful Anastasia a little more close up in the expression, and your performance gave us that. There was an involvement throughout, and I think it was such a credit to Deva Prasad Das' style and to your gurus, to Sangeeta Das, and to Gudrun Martins, who taught you first because of your beautiful technique. And I loved Sangeeta's choreography of the Pallavi. It was really, really very lovely. It's a wonderful addition to the repertoire. And basically, your intelligence, both mental and emotional, came through. It shone through your dance. And so it was just a pure pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Next, I would
ask
Ramli
Bhai, would you like to come in
and say a few words?
Yes, I think I agree with Sharon that the setting was superb. You know, it was interesting also to see one passerby stop to watch the performance, and while the bicycles was going around, it kind of gave the performance that poignancy of almost a Zen kind of feeling, I thought. Yes, I happened to also do a lot of performance on the Mangala Charanam Hariharo, and I really enjoyed the choreography, the composition of the Ananda Bhairavi that Sangeeta had choreographed, and so. And of course, we had seen Gudrun Martins performed, I think, the Surya Ashtaka then. So I thought that all this connection had given the Deva Prasad Das Parampara a strong understanding of how that facet of Odissi is added to the totality of the total image of Odissi that is available. Thank you very, very much, Kamala, for giving us a gift of your performance.
Beautifully put. Thank you so much. Guru Mandira, would you like to come in and say a few words?
Yes. Yeah. Kamala, I loved her understanding of the Mangala Charan of Sri Harihara, and her expressions were intense. She was feeling the movement. I could feel it. Her mudras were very clear, and so were the bhangis. And it was very well enacted. And of course, the beauty of the great guru has to be complimented, the legendary guru, and I would request her to continue to learn, perform, and spread the legacy that this great guru, Guru Deva Prasad Das Ji, continue. The Anand Bhairav Pallavi was also very not entertaining. It was challenging because it seemed like a lot of intricate movements. And what I loved best was the Guru Sangeeta Das's choreography using a lot of Sringara rasa movements. So it made it so like communicating and understanding the Pallavi. And of course, the background was absolutely gorgeous. And the use of the stage, she had a big stage, but the use of it, like what we call traveling throughout, it really focused on the beauty of the dance. So congratulations, Kamala, continue dancing, and congratulations to the Guru too. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Guru Sangeeta Das, what would you like to say about Kamala's performance?
Yeah, like I'm a teacher and I was waiting for others' comment. Definitely, like Kamala also. Kamala she works hard, very hardworking, and she understands because whenever this particularly about the Pallavi I'm telling you because it is my choreography, and I choreograph because nowadays there are two types of Pallavi. Usually when we are small, we are taught like the definition of Pallavi that it should start from a very slow pace and it should end in a very fast speed. And because Thai is a pure dance, Pallavi is a pure dance, and Moksha is also a pure dance, and there should be some distinction between this pure dance also. So Pallavi, though it is a pure dance, it should bring out the softer aspect of the pure dance of the style. It is my understanding. So I have tried in that way. I didn't put any more bolts or anything, and I have tried like different chanda in that line only, in that first style line only. So, like I have tried my best to keep that, to follow that definition of Pallavi. And in between we have like small this punctuations. Like if there is a space, just fill the space. So, like you must enjoy the whole thing. You must express even start the basics. Jumping of Chokta also has a feeling, it has its meaning. So in that way, she has tried her best. She has tried her best, and I was also watching today again her dance, and I'm sure she will improve more. And Harihara Mangalacharan I have learned from Guru Devasa and Guru Devasa. And then I remember the dance, but there was no music with me. And so it is kind of, I will not say it's a re-choreography, but the music, maybe the tuning has changed. And I had the whole dance I set into this new music. And always I try my best to keep, to maintain the style of Guruji, because our style, you all must be knowing, it is very direct. There is no exaggeration, and it's very, very direct approach, whether it is a pure dance or it is a abhinaya. And I hope you have liked my teaching and my choreography, and of course all my
yes, I think we have all enjoyed it.
Thank you. And
thank you so much.
Yes, and I wish after this pandemic again I can help Kamala and others also. Kamala, it is really very, very nice. Today I watched it again, and you did a big job. And she has a baby, a small girl, and she's doing a PhD. And again, along with this, she's doing this dance. So it is not easy. She's doing hard.
I know.
Okay, all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sangeeta ji. Guru Jayashree Mahapatra, would you like to come in and say a few words?
Hi, Kamala. Beautiful, beautiful dancing. And it seems like you were really enjoying dancing. And first of all, congratulations to Guru Sangeeta. Wonderful Pallavi. I loved it. Maybe one day I'll learn it from you. Beautiful Pallavi. I really loved it. And as all the Guru says, the steppings were very nicely choreographed. Very nicely choreographed. And hats off to you. And Kamala did carry it beautifully. And she has a good posture. And very good Vinaya too. And very good. Congratulations, Kamala. Keep up the good work. And thank you.
Thank you so much, Guruji. Thank you. I'm sure the applause and the feedback you both have received from our gurus today will help you to hone your skills as a professional dancer and also help you in connecting with a much wider audience. We wish you both the very best for all your future endeavors. Before we conclude, I would like to invite Mr. Siddharth Naik, the brain behind Oh Odissi One World, the man who conceptualized, designed, and created this wonderful platform for Odissi lovers all around the world. Mr. Siddharth Naik, would you like to come in and say a few words?
Thank you, everybody, all the gurus joining this wonderful journey for last 8 months. And we do have dancers for next few months on our roster. So we will try to integrate dance teachers, gurus, dancers around the world to know each other, increase the network, and contribute to the beautiful form of Odissi. So thank you once again, everybody, to be with us. Thank you.
Okay. So with this, we come to the end of today's program. Two beautiful performances by two wonderfully creative artists. I'm sure you all enjoyed watching them as much as they enjoyed performing for you. Oh Odissi One World will come to you every month with new sets of artists from different parts of the globe. Please do tune in on the first Sunday of every month to encourage these artists to play the role of mini ambassadors of the culture and tradition of Odisha. Next month, that is June, the dancers who would be performing for us are Sachiko Murakami from Tokyo, Japan, and Anish Raghavan from Puducherry, India. I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We also would request you to give us your feedback and do like the video, and please write in with your comments and questions. Also visit our website, odisseacademy.org. Thank you all, our esteemed gurus, our dancers, and above all, the lovely online audience. Till we meet again next month, Namaskar and Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath.